Hi guys, welcome to some more Animal Crossing New Horizons. I wasn't about to start recording yet. I've been having a horrible time with my allergies, so you'll have to forgive me if I've got a cough drop in my mouth. I might cough a little bit. I'm trying hard not to. So I wasn't really able to do any recording, so I wasn't playing this week. But I did just log in this morning. I time traveled back to Tuesday because it was Paula's birthday and I had missed it. And now I'm on Wednesday's date. Today is Thursday. And Angus wants to move, and I'm not sure what to do. I really like Angus, but I also kind of want to keep things kind of fresh, I guess, or changing up. So I think we're going to let him go. And then I don't know if I want to just let the plot autofill or if I want to go on a villager hunt. I enjoy villager hunting. But I think it could also be a lot of fun. Oh, I got my speakers loud. Yeah, see, he's gotten too comfortable and wants to broaden his horizons. Who am I to say no to that? Okay. This one hurts a little. I really like him. Good luck out there. That's the spirit. Hope you know what a big help you've been to me around here, Chef. So now we could travel to change the clock to today and either do some villager hunting, Scarlet, or just wait and let it autofill, and I don't know which one I want to do. I kind of also want to give him some chocolates and maybe go do a vacation home for him. Decisions. You guys, I don't know what to do. I think we're gonna stay. Maybe this is about to become a Happy Home Paradise video. Let's give him a box of chocolates and go do a vacation home for him. That'll take the sting out of his moving at least. Did I pass them? I kind of went sort of fast there. I don't even know that they're in this section. We'll find them. But yeah, now I just have to figure out autofill, villager hunt. I'm leaning towards autofill just for the fun surprise of it. What's funny is I think it was Sunday, I popped in for a little bit. What are they? I can't talk and look at things in my inventory. I had Roscoe at my campsite, and he used to be on my last island, and he's a cranky that I really liked. And I was tempted to grab him, but I did not. And now my cranky wants to leave. Okay, what are they called? Let's just go alphabetical everything. Is it called Paradise or Box? Box of chocolates? Or is it Paradise Andy? I don't know. Ooh, I didn't know I had 3 blue marlins. Okay, it's not a box of chocolates. Let's see if it's Paradise. So I'm a little bit out of it. I have to apologize. My allergies got completely out of control. I was doing a video the other day for that new game I'm playing, No Place Like Home, and I could barely talk. And you can tell in the video I was kind of struggling a bit. Paradise? No. What's it called? Is it just chocolates? So I had to switch from I usually use Nasacort for my allergies. And so I had to switch to Claritin D. My husband was very sweet and went out and got some for me on his way home from work. And even though it's not supposed to make you drowsy, it just throws me for a loop the first couple days I take it. What are the chocolates called? God, you guys, I suck. I'm sorry. So my brain's still a little fuzzy. I'm still coughing a little bit. Definitely getting better though. Things are dried out. I actually got to sleep last night, which was great. I may just go buy a box. I know I have them, but I don't want to waste your time while I'm just rambling here looking for it. Souvenirs. It's souvenir chocolates. Ooh, a light bulb just went off. How many of you were just yelling that at your screens? I sometimes find myself doing that when I'm watching other YouTubers. Is that what I am now? I don't know if that's what I am. But when they're doing videos and they can't find something or they forget what it's called, I'm like my husband when he's watching football. I yell at the screen. There we go. Souvenir chocolates. This area of my game is so laggy. Okay, he's still here. Look at them working out. What good little beans. Do you want this? Yep. You're welcome. Let's go. So do they sell these at that resort you're working with these days? Well, anywhere that sells these is all right in my book. Maybe I ought to check it out someday. Want to go right now? Sure thing, kiddo. I legitimately wasn't expecting you to say that. Let's get going. Oh, now I don't know which playlist to put this on. I have a New Horizons playlist and a Happy Home Paradise playlist. This is a crossover. I'll just put it under New Horizons because it started out on our island and it's, you know, an event on our island with him leaving. But yeah, I think we're going to autofill. I may change my mind, but I've never really let the autofill happen when somebody leaves. Oh, I hear loud voices outside. Now this is amazing. Feast your eyes on that beach. Oh, we've got a few good people here, too. Thanks for bringing me out here, kiddo. I'm gonna wander a bit and take in the sights, McMoo. Hi, Nico. Oh, look at how happy. Let's go get dressed for work. I don't know if I've seen this kangaroo before. Oh, Matilda. I've seen Matilda, maybe. Not on my island, but... cute. Oh my gosh, you're adorable too. Oh, Quackulous. Oh my gosh. You should be roommates with Quilson, because he says ridiculous. Oh, Angus looks so happy. I'm glad I time traveled. I almost didn't. So we'll get a new face on our island. I like that table. Vintage desk. I'll buy it. I feel like somebody in my family or someone I was friends with had something like that at one time. Yes, please, Lottie. Thank you. I just forgot. Well, it's too late now. I forgot to check my sound settings and stuff. I had to check around from No Place Like Home, and I forgot to switch my OBS recording settings. I think we're okay, though. Oh gosh, I really am more fuzzy-headed than just my normal fuzzy-headedness. I mean, even Scarlett, she's awake, but she's just sitting here looking at me like, what is wrong with you? He wants a lighthouse? Interesting. Well, he needs a big... I know I'm lucky to work here. Sure. Let's chat. I want to hear his ideas. We'll have to give him a big stretch of beach and a lighthouse. Whatever Angus wants, Angus gets. I love this about the HHP expansion, that when somebody is leaving our island, we can actually have a vacation home for them. I know he's not going to really remember us the same way, but at least they're still with us. Okay, what are you thinking, bub? Wow. You, I did not think would want to be a little like fishermen. I'll try not to duplicate stuff I've already done, like for Octavian, and I don't know who else. I mean, I feel like this is the spot for that, but no, we're gonna do something a little different. It definitely has to be an ocean. That doesn't work because of all the trees. Oh, we just did this one for Rod, but we could put the lighthouse on the rocks there. That might be kind of cute. I just realized I might be yelling, so I'm sorry if I'm yelling. Let's do that and put the lighthouse on the rock. 2 floors is a lot of room. Do I need... I don't think you need all that space right now. Let's just do 1 level, because, dude, I'm still... I still feel a little shaky and weird from my Claritin. I want to go sit on the sofa with my dogs. Alright, thanks, Lottie. Oh. It's just nice being able to breathe, though. Trying to eavesdrop on the people talking outside. I think it's just my neighbors, though. Nothing to worry about. Not a nosy neighbor, but, you know, if I hear voices, I'm gonna try and listen. A lighthouse lifestyle. Hey. Yeah, I like it on the rocks. Like my cocktails on the rocks. I'm not sure where the big wave breaker should go. I think we'll keep this style house. Do we have just like a pretty white siding without... I don't like that trim. I like the white, but I don't like the trim. I don't want stucco. Okay, what? Why? Why are you just clicking things that are weird and make no sense? That door's awful. That one is equally awful. White's not bad. Oh, I'm hearing some yard equipment going. I'm sorry if you hear like some weed eaters and things going on next door. I think just the simple, more simple, although this is kind of cute. Let's see it in different colors. I could change the siding and roof color too. No, I guess white. I don't know why I'm going with these colors. We're just going with what kind of feels right today. Let's do the little fishy. Okay. Fish container. I'm trying to decide now what we want his indoors to look like. I almost want to do big seascape indoors with the lighthouse and everything inside. Oh, too bad we don't have a roundhouse. Could make it look like he's living in the lighthouse. Let's see. Give him the boat. Let's see what all's under the order. Yeah, I feel like he should have a lawn chair out here, like he sits in that while he's fishing. That works. Give him the boat. I wish we could kind of just float it in the water, but I mean, it is up on like its little... whatever, the little bed you tow it on. Whatever that's called. Let's go with red and gray. That looks good with the house. See, where does he do his fishing? Well, actually, maybe he fishes... Nah, he fishes over here. I was going to have him facing the other way. Let's just do this. Got his fish on ice here. Get some different colors going. Those look like Angus colors to me. Let's put a fishing pole out. Not going to do a whole lot out here, I don't think. Wait, maybe we should move some things around. Let's put the fishing pole facing the water. Okay. I feel like he should have a little cooler of beer or something. Well, or for whatever soda he would like to drink. Finished looking at everything under the order. Okay, interesting. Oh, we can use that in the kitchen. I guess we're giving him kind of a fishing vibe. There, he just has a little fishing spot out front. We went simple. Maybe we should put some weeds down, though. That might be cute. Wait, is it under other or... No, it's under this. I know things. Gosh, I got rusty fast. I haven't done a vacation home in a little while. Why a rock? Let's not do a rock. Just scatter these about. Come on. I don't want them completely lined up. I can hear my dogs in the other room. They might be wrestling a little bit, or one is just using the sofa as a napkin, because that's real nice. One more. Why not? Okay. Now I have to figure out what I want to do on the inside. I have no idea. I don't even know how big I want to make it. Have any of you ever used the Fisherman's Friends cough drops? That's what I'm using right now. It's like starting to burn my mouth. Gosh. Oh, the vintage sofa, huh? Okay. That's in the vintage desk, which we just bought. Oh, the dress. Let's just kind of plunk in a few things to use. We'll make the room a little bigger. I could even use this vintage desk as like a little dining table or something. Interesting. Okay, let's make it bigger and start plunking stuff around. I don't want to go too big. I always do the same layouts. It's just, you get a little boring. But you know, sometimes there's just only so much you can do. You like it away from the wall just a little. Could even do it. Do I want to do it a little more so we've got room for like some plants or side tables? Maybe. Actually, we could set this up as a little desk back here. No, there's not room. Oh, well, we could also rotate things. And then sneak a little chair back there for a little desk area? Maybe. Oh, we can make the room a little bigger. It also would fit a little better. Oh, now we've gone really big. Okay. That kind of works. as a little layout. We'll put a little desk over there. Or actually, we could even do the desk over on the other side and do a little bed area over there. I'm not going to do an exterior or accent wall. Let's see what wallpaper he has in mind. I do like the blue painted wall. That's too matchy. I like the shanty mat. I think we'll just go pick a different floor. And I'm sorry if I'm a little more quiet. I'm just sort of resting my voice. It's been through a lot the last few days. Do we want the white floor? It's awful bright, but once we get more stuff in here, we'll see. Just start putting in some things and see what happens. I feel like he needs just a simple refrigerator. What's it look like in brown? I mean, it's ugly, but it kind of goes, maybe. No. Okay. I feel like I've got the room too wide. Maybe I do want it more of a square, not a rectangle. Let's move you in a little. Move you in a little. Just got way bigger than I wanted it to be. That's a better size. Okay, and I think I like the colors of everything, just the default colors. Might change the sofa, I don't know yet. A dining table area or something. Oh, see, I do like the ranch, or the compact kitchen too. But this was on the order. I like the ironwood with the vintage stuff, I think. Yeah. Okay. To give him a massage chair. Maybe if we give him a bedroom upstairs later on, we'll give him a massage chair. A vintage stool is cool. Let's see, what do we have as far as... Let's see, ironwood. Yeah, there's not like a vintage table for dining. That's too low. Those are nice for coffee tables. What if instead of a desk, we did this over here as like a little dining table with the stools? That looks good. I like that. Yeah, we'll do that. Could even put the stools on both sides. What other colors? I know the green because we just bought that. Like, oh, the silver's neat. I feel like we need a little contrast. And maybe I shouldn't use that rug. I like it. Do I like it? Maybe I don't like it. I might just not like it on this floor. That's kind of cool, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, I like that the table's not up against the wall. Now I gotta figure out what else we want to do. Maybe we don't. Maybe this room is too big. I'm making it all smaller again, you guys. Let's scrunch it back. Yeah, now that we're not going to have the desk behind the sofa. Oops. It was just looking too large. This looks like a better size to me. I don't even know that I want to give him a bedroom. I think it's just going to be this space. If we do a bedroom, we'll add an upstairs. Does he want a desk? We don't really need a desk. I don't know why I'm thinking we have to have a desk. Put a little stereo or something behind the sofa. Or bookcase. I know I say this all the time. I really wish we had other options of bookcases. What if we just did a couple of these, though? Yeah, in the mixed wood. I was thinking instead of a bookcase. I don't know that I like how that looks. I'm not crazy about that. Let's look at the order, get some inspiration. Let me also look just a little bit while I'm right in this section. I could do belts or storage. That's not bad. I think that only comes in 2 colors, yeah. I like the white on that wall, but I don't know. Yeah, let's go white. Wait! That's okay. We'll put a TV up on the dressery thingy, the vintage dresser. See if there's anything we can use behind the sofa. Just sort of... Could give him a workbench. I don't know if that'll fit very well. But let's see, that's kind of a neat idea. No, it's not going to fit. I kind of like that idea, though. I don't know if it should be a workbench or something else, but I like the idea of something that size back there. I don't hate it. Even put a little stool in front of it, make it look like, I don't know, it's like a little desk or work. I don't know. I just like it. Oh no, I'm snorting. I'm just I'm a mess too. You guys, it's been a rough week. But I have missed doing my videos. I'm glad I did a couple earlier in the week for No Place Like Home, which I'm really enjoying. I don't have videos for it yet, but I'm really eager to do some more. You know, feel free to check those videos out if you haven't, because I think I'll be doing some more. Oh, space heater, yeah. I didn't leave a lot of room, anything there. But yeah, I like the space heater. Oh, we could do, let's see if instead of this, I like that little, it's the wood burning stove. That's kind of neat. I mean, it's a little weird maybe to have it behind sofa. That might work a little better. Yeah, let's use that. Should it be centered on the wall? Like when you walk in? Or centered behind? I think I like it in the corner. I don't know. I get so tripped up by the littlest things. Okay. Just looking for more ideas. Mm-hmm. Sure. Coffee plant. He's got a little coffee pot on the stove there. You do one of the fish crates over here. Give him the tall one. Oh yeah, I want to do this. Let's see, what kind of fish does he have? Carp. Black, yellow, or red? Let's go red. Getting ready to cook that up for his dinner, although he has no oven, so I don't know, or stove. That's not our problem. This is kind of neat. Like another little work surface. We could even put the no logo. Could put the fishy on it. Or put oh, we do have the stacked one. I didn't see it. He loves it. Put that one on it. That's a little interesting, maybe. Kind of fishies. Oh, that's just the logo. That's the fishies. Oh, I like the color of those fish. Oh, that kind of goes because he's got a red. Nah. Yeah, I like those colors. Let's give him... Oh, actually... Put that down there. Oh yeah, right by the fireplace. Brilliant. Put this here. Put the cans here. We're getting there, we're getting there. We're almost done. He's just put his fish there. He's getting ready to put him in the freezer. Not sure what we want to use for music. Or for like a stereo, what type? What does he like? KK Island. All right. You know, the retro stereo kind of fits with the vintage stuff. Maybe I should put that back here instead, if it'll fit. Yeah, I mean, he doesn't really need to get back there. It's turned on, so we're good. I like that. I'm not going to do an area rug. Let's put a few things here. Almost done. Oh, okay. He's such a happy, look at his little face. Such a happy guy. What else do you want, Angus? Do you want like a little tablet device or something? Maybe that's a little too much electronics. This is where you go fishing, but you gotta have a TV. Let's see. Ooh. Isn't there like a carp? There's a fish pie. Let's put one of those out on his dining table. Forget what kind it is. Or sushi. Yeah, sea bass pie. Oh, he looks happy. So yeah, there you go, bud. Big sea bass pie just waiting for you. Steaming fresh from the oven. Not sure if I want to do hanging lights or wall lights or Fresh food trays. No. I like this song. Let's just do a plant on the coffee table, just right in the center. That's cute. Oh, we can put something up here too. I think. There, that's cute. For the walls. We do the like boat flags maybe. Or we could do fish posters. Let's do the boat flags, fishing boat flags on this wall. Forget how many there are. I don't know if we can get 3 or not. Oh yeah, 4 of them. I like the turtles. Let's do the one with the turtle. Nice. Oh, maybe we should do these on the back wall because it's so much bigger. Get them on the wall and then move them around. Go this way. Position them around here a little bit. Oh, it's got to go behind the fridge a little. Wait, should I move the fridge over? Then I have to move everything over, but that actually can work. Hold on. Because then we'll just put this here. Those aren't centered, but I think it's all right. Center you between these two. Really? Oh. Well, that's annoying. But it's all right. Whoop. Okay. I mean, they're fine. It's... I'd want them positioned a little bit differently, but the game, you know, just can't let us have nice things. See how many variations we have of this. Oh, good. So we'll change you to the blue marlin. We'll keep you as is. Red snapper. Squid's cool. Too bad there's only one with color, but that's all right. I like him. Oh, I'm liking his little fishing house. Let's see. Yeah, I want to use this. Yes, perfect. Right above the window. Exactly where it should be. Okay, this is coming out. I think it's kind of cute. I know it's a layout I use a lot. But that's how I do. Give him the mounted blue marlin, which I know I've used above doors before. It's all right. So yeah, we'll do hanging lights. Of course, we've got to have the butterfly fish model. I think that's all. Okay, let's get some lights going. I'm leaning towards just the wooden pendant. Do they come in white? Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I like that style light in here. Centered right over his eye. That one's kind of centered over the coffee table. I don't want them lined up. cool with the lights off. I guess we'll go with the white tile. Make it a little dimmer in here. Just a little. Or a lot. And ocean noises. Love when they do that. Look at how he's listening. You guys, I think this is it. I'm really kind of happy with it. I would like... whoops. If the posters... Why can I not hit the right thing? There we go. I had these just a little bit... No. Well, yeah. I don't know. I just want this one over like right there. Okay, fine. That's fine. What do you think? I think we're done. What do you guys think? I don't love that the lights aren't lined up, but that's okay too. Oh, we could put something. No, we're not going to put anything there. We're getting a little... This is just where he comes in and the lighthouse lifestyle. I don't know if this is what a lighthouse house would look like. But I'm happy with it. I think I want this in the... No. We're good on the colors. I think the sofa's fine too. With the color oh. We like that better. I think we like that better. All right. Let's see. Let's maybe change his outfit. Something that looks a little more nautical, although that's adorable. Okay, no hat. Sorry, bud. I won't put you in a hat. Should look to see what was under the order. There were certain outfits. I'm going to do that. Hold on. I always forget to check that. Okay, fishing vest, bulldog jacket, pullover. Okay, so let's put you in a fishing vest. Oh, I guess the ones at the top are kind of like what's in the order, maybe. I haven't been paying attention. So what else is new? I think we like that color on you, bud. Gray is good too. Do you want a little fishing hat? No. Okay. Look, I finally remembered to change one into an outfit before they tore their room. I like it. I know it's the same frickin' floor plan I've used 1,000 times. But it worked. Oh, bud. Let's look around. Yeah, sorry if I took too long. I'm slow. A lighthouse lifestyle. It's more of a fishing lifestyle, but that's all right. The only thing I know about lighthouses is I like to watch the show Ghost Hunters. Years and years and years ago when it was on, and they did lighthouses. And they were always haunted. That's all I know about lighthouses. Haunted. Oh, he looks so happy. That's cute. Let's take a picture. Look at that. You really do know what you're doing, McMoo. I'm gonna miss your McMoo, Angus. What a nice way to say goodbye to you, though. Of course we're gonna get some snaps. I don't know if we should probably put them out by the lighthouse, but I just kind of want to put them here. What? Why? Well, I kind of want him just standing here by his fish. He started to turn around and then I moved him. me out of there, take that out of there. Okay, what angle do we want to use? We'll just go with that. It's cute. I like seeing the fish prints on the wall. Yeah, I like that angle better than from the other side. Just in case I haven't said it enough, you've done a great job here. What can I help you with? I'm heading back, Angus. No problem. Be careful going back, and if anything comes up, you'll be the first one I call, McMoo. But yeah, I don't know when I'm going to do my next recording, but it'll either be when he's in boxes or when... Wait, it's going to be in boxes, then empty, then autofill, I think. Yeah, I'm going to let it autofill. Thank you, Lottie. So thanks, you guys, for watching this crossover Animal Crossing New Horizons / HHP video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed our little farewell to Angus. And I thank you again, all of you who have been subscribing and hitting the like button. It really means a lot. I've been seeing a little growth with my channel, which is encouraging, and I'm just still having so much fun doing this. So yeah, I'm going to keep making these videos for a while to come. So thank you again so much for watching. Take care.